Hello again, everybody. Back out here at this Phoenix Fire we're doing. As you can see, we got the roof on, exterior of the home painted. A little shot under the carport. Walls have been insulated. Bats in the vaulted areas we can't blow in. It'll be blown in all above the bedrooms. Drywall stocked, ready to go. Guys will be in here over the weekend hanging. Yeah, and that's all going to be blown in insulation up here. Once again, you can see making good progress out here. Just a few more weeks away, we'll be wrapped up with this thing. So guys are doing an excellent job. Again, hope you enjoy this video, and there'll be more to come. Have a great weekend.